Is it safe to install APK files on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle an important question. Is it safe to install APK files on your Samsung Smart TV? APK files can open up a world of new apps and functionalities, but they also carry certain risks. Let's dive in.
What are APK files?
Before we start discussing safety, let's first understand what APK files are. APK, or Android Package Kit, is the file format that Android uses for its apps. Basically, APK files are the installation files for Android apps, just like .x files are for Windows.
Why would you install APK files on your TV?
In some cases, you might want to install an app that is not available on the Samsung Smart TV App Store. By sideloading APK files, you can access and install these unavailable apps. This is the primary reason why users consider installing APK files on their Samsung Smart TVs.
What are the risks?
While sideloading APKs can allow you to access more apps, it is not without its risks. These files can potentially contain malware or viruses that can harm your device. Another risk is the possibility of privacy invasion. Unofficial apps might not adhere to strict privacy standards and could misuse your personal data. Finally, sideloaded apps often do not receive updates as regular apps do, which can lead to security vulnerabilities and poor performance over time.
How to stay safe?
If you still want to go ahead and install APK files, you should take some precautions to stay safe. Firstly, only download APK files from trusted sources. Avoid downloading APK files from unknown websites or sources. Secondly, consider using an antivirus software to scan APK files before installation. Finally, read the permissions that each APK file asks for during installation. If an app is asking for more permissions than it should need to function, that's a red flag. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to install APK files on your Samsung Smart TV, it carries significant risks. Unless you're certain of the source's reliability and prepared to manage the potential threats, it's generally safer to stick with the apps available in the official Samsung App Store. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make a safer decision regarding the installation of APK files. Stay safe and enjoy your viewing.